Alright guys, what it do? It's your boy X coming at you guys with another video. And in today's video, before we actually get into that, I want to give much appreciation to everybody who's subscribed to my YouTube channel as of recently and been liking my videos and commenting on my videos and giving me advice and actually responsive with it. I appreciate it. And I know Mr. Delivery, Kevin Delivery, would never see this actual video, but who knows, he actually might. Hey yo, I'm very appreciative for you reacting to my video. Don't know how it came across your eyes, but very appreciative. Thank you so much. But in today's video, I want to talk about real estate. And about real estate, what I want to talk about is if there's a way for you to get involved in real estate without the large lump sum of money down, because that's like the main reason why a lot of people struggle to get in real estate. They just struggle to budget, struggle to save. So the down payment alone is just too large for them to even consider doing. But what if I told you there's a way? Let's get about it in today's video. Alright guys, so we're talking about how you can actually get involved in real estate investing without having to pay such a large down payment. Now this is going to be different. It's not wholesaling, it's not none of that stuff. It's a legit way to do it, but it's through a platform called Fundrise. And I know some of you may have heard about it, some of you may have not heard about it, but pretty much what Fundrise is, it's a platform where they crowdfund and raise money to combine the money and go out and buy large, developed areas or multi-family apartments and some single family houses, whatever. But they buy this and they split the money amongst the people who invest in through either weekly dividends or quarterly dividends and appreciation of the property. And the reason I want to bring light to this platform is I'm going to use it so I can show you guys how you too can get involved in real estate as a way to help you save and grow your money to get your own physical real estate. So pretty much that's the gist of this platform. And the reason it's called My Intention is I want to do it just to show people that there's a way for them to also invest in real estate. I know some people do not care for the stock market. They just do not care for it. They think it's rigged. They think it's hacked. They think the government is against them. Hey, and if that's your opinion, that is your opinion. But I want to show you this, and I'm going to do it myself, and I'm going to give you updates on it so you can see, just in case you're skeptical of how this platform works. Because I started my account, I got the $1,000 deposited in, and I'm just going to put between $250 to maybe $500 in it a month over the course of this next year. So I'm going to give you updates throughout the year, but I want to show you the growth of this account over a year, because I feel like this is a way a lot of people can get their foot in the door of real estate. Now, there are some pros and cons with this, as there is with everything. And I just want you to know, I just want to be transparent with you. The platform is mad nice. It's very easy to use, very easy to understand. Now, the part that is the con is you can put your money in, and unfortunately you will not be able to get your money out for like 3 to 5 years. Now if you really need it, they will let you get it out, but of course they'll penalize you. Why is this? It's because unlike the stock market where you just swipe up, sell your shares or whatever, you're pretty much putting your money with other people's money and other people's money and other people's money to buy this large apartment building or development area, right? And unfortunately, you just can't sell out of no real estate like this, or this platform, or no physical real estate that you actually own. You just can't. It doesn't work that way. So if you need the money and you try to pull out, they will penalize you. That's the only drawback of this actual platform, is your money is not as liquid. But then again, to me, if your money is actually in your house, unless you own a decent amount of it, that's also not liquid. But like I said again, the whole gist is just to show you that you can start investing in real estate, and they do show you the properties that that your money goes towards, how long those properties take to get off the ground. If it's a new development, if it's already established, they're showing you how they're going to raise rents and all this. With this platform, they're going to lay it all out for you, and I'll show you on the screen right now. All right, so as far as the platform, you can check it out over here in the corner. It has your little pie, and it's going to show you the 4 different investment styles. You can do income, you can do core plus, you can do value add and optimistic. Each one, the payout is different, and by different I mean the percentages of return, but also the percentage of when you'll start receiving money. Of course, you go after more optimistic and a value add, your rate of return do go up higher, but also does your payout amount. It's going to be farther out, just to let you guys know that. But when you click on this pie here, so pretty much when you click on the projects or whatever, it starts to break down to show you all the projects your money has been allocating towards. And I know what you're thinking, well, if I'm allocating such a small amount, how's it going to all these platforms? They just taking whatever they can from your portfolio. Let's say you deposit $100, maybe 20 go to each, 5 go to each. If it's 1,000, vice versa. So they're just taking your money and shifting over here. And due to you only putting in such a low amount, $20, or if it's however they decide to break yours up, that will determine your dividend payout and your appreciation. Because you probably only get a percentage of it. It's just your percentage is going to be mad small because you haven't put in that much money. Just like with any other account, it's going to pay dividends, and over time, when you add money in and it's growing, it's going to become bigger and bigger and bigger. So, as I said again, it's a way for you to get skin in the game. That's the whole point. Because a lot of people want to get in real estate because they always want to get in real estate, but they just don't have the means to. This platform gives you the means. You can start off with $100 and just slowly invest, and technically you are a real estate investor. And as time progresses, your portfolio will grow, and you'll start to receive more and more money as time goes on. But like I said again, never forget, you can't pull that money for 3 to 5 years, depending on the projects. So when you get your projects, make sure you look into the information on that. You just, like I said, click on it, and it'll show you the amount, hit the view details, and then it'll just break it down for you. Now, I did go out my way to pull a couple of charts over the course of a couple of years versus some REIT index funds. If you don't know what a REIT index fund is, it's pretty much an index fund that involves in real estate. So I compared the numbers to that from a couple people's portfolio, from Vanguard's, and believe it or not, Fundrise actually has beaten them on average over the course of all the years. So it's a very good platform. People do get very good returns on it. I'm going to show you a couple graphs here right now, and I'm going to link to a couple videos in the description and maybe a blog or two that I read about it. And like I said, those will be in the description. Check those out, just so you can get more clarification, more information, and really consider it. Like I said again, if you subscribe to my channel, you should see an update on this probably once a month. I give an update on new projects they put my money in, how much I allocated, just to show you guys the growth of the portfolio. We're going to do this for the next year so you guys can really see it grow. So hopefully it can inspire you to start doing your own. So that's one of the places I'm going to allocate some money this year as far as my investing. It's going to be Fundrise. It's going to be my dividend portfolio. I always do 401k, and just more definitely trying to secure some more properties this year. But I'm doing it. I want to show you guys that it's possible. It's a good platform. But like I said, subscribe for updates. Most definitely, if you have any questions about it, leave them in a comment. I most definitely get to them. Do not forget to like this video. I really appreciate it. And it's your boy Exia, and I'm out.